Hi everyone. If you're using Power BI and starting to think, how do I stand out in the job interviews, or how do you skill up? How do I improve my skills to the next level? Then this video is definitely for you. Today I want to share with you why learning Google Cloud Machine Learning could be a game changer for you. It's not just about getting a good job, it's also about next step where you have to put in to improve your career. So let's get started. Let's be real. Power BI is awesome. It's awesome for creating reports, for creating dashboards, and to explore the data that's already there in your dataset. But the companies now are not just looking for the developers who build plain reports or dashboards. They want to know something more. They want to get people who can predict the future. So this is where Google machine learning comes in. Using Google Cloud, you can predict the future. You can predict the future sales. And if there's any unusual behavior, you can spot that. And you can analyze large data sets, which is very hard with just Power BI. So these are the three main places where Google Cloud can help you. Using this Google Cloud, you'll get access to BigQuery machine learning and Vertex AI, and you can use them to make your Power BI dashboards even smarter. This is not just about building cool stuff, it's about making an impact. When recruiters see that you are not just a Power BI developer and you also know machine learning along with Power BI, that's the real game changer for you. You will get more calls, more opportunities. The employers will get an impression that this person is going to add value to our business, and that's what you need to get into a good job. And here's the good news. You don't need to be a Python expert to start this. Google Cloud has many tools for beginners as well, like BigQuery machine language where you can use SQL code to build models, and there's Vertex AI where you can build models visually with very minimal coding. More job listings now are asking for Power BI and cloud skills. More interviews are testing your ability to go beyond Power BI dashboard reports. If you're trying to move from just being a Power BI data analyst to someone they actually remember and value, then this is the right move for you. So here's what you need to do. Start with the basics of Google Cloud Machine Learning. Try out BigQuery machine language, Vertex AI, or even AutoML. Add those projects to your portfolio. Mention about them in your interviews. You're already great with data when you're using Power BI, and this just adds rocket fuel to your skill set. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and also drop a comment. I'll be very happy to guide you through your next step.